Hello, welcome to this quick video. This is a quick question, so we're going to make a quick answer. Let's say I have this ring with these diamonds right here, and let's say you bought my gemstone collection asset in the Blender market. So here the diamonds are set, but I don't want to make a cut, or I can't for any reason. So if I try to make the render, the diamond looks like they're made of gold. So this is not working. But I can't make the cut, because normally I would have to create a cutter for each diamond and make the boolean as a difference and make the light come through the metal to get to the diamond. Nonetheless, there is a simple solution to make a render. So we're going to set that. So I have my materials, I have my camera angle, I have my background, all is set up right here. I'm going to remove the render preview first. All right. So I'm going to select the ring. So I have the ring selected. I go here to object properties. And in visibility, I'm going to check and uncheck a couple of things. We're going to make it a holdout. And let's see what that makes. So we understand step by step. We have this, it's black. We're going to go to render properties and go to film and activate transparent. So now the ring makes a transparent mask in the render, but still we see it inside the diamonds. So again, in object properties, we need to remove these here, but we're going to keep visible to camera, so it still affects the diamonds here. If you remove it, it's totally useless and it won't work that well. So we keep the camera visibility turned on. So I go back to my camera view, and we don't want the background, so let's remove it here from the render, and now I have this. Okay. So this is to render the diamonds only. Let's make the render F12 render. So we're getting this. Here we're going to save the image. It's important to keep the RGB A. A is for alpha, which is the transparency. Compression, I prefer 0% when I'm going to composite images. So here we keep the alpha, and let's put a name, diamonds view, and save. Now I need the general render. So I'm going to do the steps back. I'm going to turn on everything here, remove the holdout, put the floor back on, and I'm going to have the complete render here. Now let's make the render of the complete scene of this view. Okay. Now we're going to save this. So here I'm going to save the image. This one is not necessary to keep the alpha because there's nothing transparent in this image. So we can just save the RGB and compression to 0. Let's save this as another image. Don't overwrite obviously the other image. and here. Now, okay, so now that I made the renders, the two images, one of the rings and another one from the diamonds, I need to put them together. So we're going to go to compositing here in Blender, and we're going to turn on the nodes here. So we're going to see just the render layers and the composite, which is the result. I don't want to render anything anymore, so I can remove the rendered layers. Just hit the delete key here. Now we're going to add image and another image because we have two images. I'm going to open my image of the ring, and I'm going to open the image of the diamonds here. Now we're going to add an alpha over node. We're going to bring two images here together and send the result here to the output. And now when I open the render window, I get the two images composited into one. The diamonds are on top of the ring image, and this is the result we want. The diamonds look okay, they don't look like gold anymore, and the goal is achieved. Hoorah! So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.